So I'm digging the last of the holes to plant my spring bulbs now, and it's quite late really, beginning of November. All those spring bulbs should be in well and truly by now. And the advice that you're given is to plant the bulbs 3 times the depth of the height of the bulb. So I'm using a spade so that I can make sure that I get a really nice deep planting hole. If I was to use a trowel, by comparison, you can see how difficult it would be to get a deep enough planting hole, and the temptation is just to dig to the depth of the trowel, and that won't be deep enough for these bulbs. So a minimum of 3 times the depth of the height of the bulb. Now obviously for smaller bulbs a trowel is fine, front of the border, etc. It's fine to get those in that deep, but when it comes to actually in a big border with biggish bulbs, use a spade. It's a lot more straightforward. So I'm going to get on and plant this, the last of my narcissi. The tulips really can wait until the end of the month if really needs be. I'm going to try and get them in over the next week or so, but really the daffs should be in, because the thing about daffodils is that they root down during the rest of the autumn and on into the winter, and that carries on forming the flower bud that will give you the best flowers next year. So don't neglect them, don't let them dry out. Get those narcissi bulbs in.